QuietCool is the brand new revolutionary green energy product that is taking America by storm. Have you ever gone through those long, miserable summers where you just can't get cool and running the air conditioner is painful because you know how much energy it costs? Well, lucky for you, the QuietCool whole house fan was invented. It's like a breeze on a switch. You crack open a few windows in your home during the cooler hours of the early morning and evening, and when you turn on the fan, it pulls the cool air from outside through your windows, into the attic, and out your attic vents, cooling and ventilating your entire home and attic. Traditional whole house fans do the same thing as a QuietCool, but are extremely loud and inefficient. These fans are so loud that they sound like a helicopter in your attic. But with QuietCool, you get the same cooling effect, but at the sound of a whisper. But our fans are not just quiet, they are energy efficient too. We have some of the most efficient fans on the market today. With QuietCool, having a cooler home in the hot temperatures of the summer is possible.